Welcome to WordPress Complete course. In this video, we will learn how to install plugins in WordPress. It is really easy to install plugins. All the plugins are free to download, the only condition is that a plugin must be in the WordPress directory. To install plugins, click on Plugins. After that, click Add New. Enter your required plugin name in the search box. List of plugins which are relevant to the plugin's name will get displayed. Select the required plugin you want to use. Here I have searched All-in-One SEO Pack plugin, which happens to be the first plugin as shown in the preceding screen. Click on Install Now button to install the plugin on your website. Click on Activate Plugin to activate the plugin on your website, which makes your task much easier using this plugin. Once activated, you will see the installed plugin in the list of plugins. So this is how you can install plugins in WordPress. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you have any question, please comment below, and I will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in next video. Goodbye.